In this session, let us discuss regarding the expression for output voltage in different regions of operation of a CMOS inverter, a very important concept. Consider the circuit for a CMOS inverter where PMOS is at the top and the NMOS is at the bottom. Okay, because NMOS, it is a strong parser of logic 0, and PMOS, it is a strong parser of logic 1. Let us see how it works. Okay, when Vin is equal to 1, NMOS conducts, PMOS does not conduct. So what is there at the source, that is logic 0, it is made available at the output voltage Vout is equal to 0. Now when Vin is equal to 0, so NMOS does not conduct, PMOS conducts. So the source end of PMOS, it is connected to VDD, hence Vout is equal to VDD. Hence it acts as the inverter circuit and the CMOS logic structure is used here. Let us consider the expression for VGS and VDS in case of a NMOS. Okay, now for a NMOS, VGS is equal to Vin. That is, we can write VGS as Vg minus Vs. Vg is Vin and Vs is equal to 0. Hence VGSN is equal to Vin. And VDSN, okay, can be written as Vd minus Vs. Vd is Vout, Vs is equal to 0. Hence VDS for NMOS is equal to Vout. Let us see how about a PMOS. For a PMOS, VGS, it can be written as minus of VSG, where VSG can be written as Vs minus Vg, where Vs is equal to VDD, that is source end of PMOS is connected to VDD, and Vg is nothing but the input voltage, that is Vin. Hence VGS, that is for PMOS, is equal to Vin minus VDD. Similarly, the VSD, that is source to drain voltage for a PMOS, it is equal to Vs minus Vd, where VDSP can be written as minus of VSDP. Hence VDSP is equal to Vout minus VDD, that is the drain to source voltage for a PMOS is given by Vout minus VDD. Let us discuss regarding the different regions of operation in a CMOS inverter. In region A, P is in on state and NMOS is in off state. In region B, C and D, both PMOS as well as NMOS, they are in on state, but it switches in between the saturation region and linear region. And region E, PMOS is in off state and NMOS is in on state. So in region A, PMOS, it works in linear region and NMOS is in cutoff region. And in region B, PMOS is in linear region and NMOS is in saturation region. In region C, both PMOS as well as NMOS, they are in saturation region. In region D, PMOS is in saturation region and NMOS is in linear region. And region E, PMOS is in cutoff region and NMOS is in linear region. So in the next slides, we will try to get the expression for Vout in different regions of operation. Okay, so we'll consider the different cases. Okay, what happens in region A, B, C, D, E, we'll get the expression for current. Then after simplification, we'll see what is the voltage that is available at the output end. Let us derive the expression for output voltage in region A. For better understanding, you need to refer the previous video in order to know the working of NMOS and PMOS in different regions. So in region A, PMOS is in linear region and NMOS is in cutoff region. That is when Vin is equal to 0. So when the gate input voltage is 0, we know that PMOS turns on. So when it is in on state,
Either it can work in linear region or saturation region, and we have seen that PMOS works in linear region. And gate of NMOS, it turns off, that is NMOS will be in off state for the input gate voltage 0. That means NMOS is in cutoff region. Here no current flows through the inverter. Output is directly connected to VDD through the P transistor. Hence, the expression for output voltage in region A is equal to VDD. Let us see what happens in region B. In region B, NMOS as well as PMOS both are in on state. PMOS works in linear region and NMOS in saturation region. So here the input voltage is increased and exceeds the threshold voltage of the N transistor. N transistor conducts and it has a large voltage between the source and the drain. So that is N transistor or NMOS, it is in saturation region. P transistor also conducts with small voltage across it. Therefore, PMOS is in linear region. Substituting the current expression for NMOS and PMOS in region B, where IDSP is equal to minus IDSN. So here we need to substitute the expression for drain to source current. In PMOS, we need to consider the expression for current in linear region, and we need to consider the expression for NMOS current in saturation region. So after substitution we get V out is equal to V in minus VTP, where V in is the input voltage, VTP is the threshold voltage of PMOS, plus square root of V in minus VTP whole square minus 2 into V in minus VDD by 2 minus VTP into VDD minus beta n by beta p into V in minus VTP whole square. So this is the expression for output voltage in region B. So in next slide let us see how we got this expression for output voltage V out. Okay. So already we have discussed in region B, PMOS is in linear region and NMOS is in saturation region. So you need to write the expression for drain to source current in NMOS as well as PMOS. IDSN, it is the drain to source current in case of NMOS, and IDSP, it is the drain to source current in case of PMOS. So substituting for the output current in NMOS, here we know that NMOS is in saturation region, hence we get the expression as beta n by 2 into VGSN minus VTN whole square. And the drain to source current in case of a PMOS, this is equal to minus beta p into VGSP minus VTP into VDSP minus VDSP square divided by 2. Okay. So this IDSN, it is equal to ISDP. Okay. This ISDP can be written as minus IDSP. Hence we have this negative sign. Okay. Now we know that IDSN plus IDSP is equal to 0. IDSN is equal to minus IDSP. We need to consider the expression for NMOS in saturation region and PMOS in linear region. So we get beta n by 2 into VGSN minus VTN whole square is equal to beta p into VGSP minus VTP into VDSP minus VDSP square divided by 2. Further, you need to substitute for VGSN, VGSP and VDSP. So VGSN, that is gate to source voltage in case of NMOS, VGSN is equal to Vin, and VGSP, that is gate to source voltage in case of PMOS, is equal to Vin minus VDD, and VDSP, that is the output voltage, drain to source voltage, that is equal to Vout minus VDD. So for substituting for VGSN, VGSP and VDSP, we get beta n by 2 into Vgin minus Vtn whole square is equal to beta p into Vin minus VDD minus VTP into Vout minus VDD minus Vout minus VDD whole square divided by 2. So further, you need to simplify, and after proper grouping we get the expression as beta n by beta p into Vin minus Vtn whole square is equal to 2 into Vin Vout minus 2 into Vin VDD plus VDD square minus 2 into VTP into Vout plus 2 into VDD into VTP. So go through each and every step that is shown in this slide. Okay, so you need to simplify. So go through each and every step. Then you need to add and subtract Vin minus VTP whole square. Okay, so finally after substitution we get Vout is equal to Vin minus VTP plus square root of Vin minus VTP square minus 2 into Vin minus VDD by 2 minus VTP into VDD minus beta n by beta p into Vin minus Vtn whole square, which is the expression for output voltage in region B. Let us see the operation in region C. In region C, both PMOS as well as NMOS, they are in saturation region. So it is at the middle of the transition curve. Both NMOS and PMOS, they are in on state and they operate in saturation region. Equating IDSN and IDSP and solving, we get the expression for Vout as Vout is equal to Vin is equal to VDD by 2. This is the expression for the output voltage. And region C, it is nothing but a single point in the curve. Let us see how we got the expression for Vout. So as discussed earlier, both PMOS and NMOS, they are in saturation region. So IDSN is equal to beta n by 2 into VGSN minus VTN whole square, and IDSP is equal to minus beta p by 2 VGSP minus VTP whole square. So we know that IDSN plus IDSP is equal to 0. So substitute beta n by 2 into VGSN minus VTN whole square is equal to beta p by 2 VGSP minus VTP whole square. Then beta n by beta p, this is equal to VGSP minus VTP whole square divided by VGSN minus VTN whole square. So here we need to substitute the expression for VGSP. VGSP is Vin minus VDD, and VGSN, that is gate to source voltage in case of NMOS, this is equal to Vin. So Vin minus Vtn whole square is equal to beta p by beta n into Vin minus VDD minus VTP whole square. So we can write Vin minus Vtn is equal to plus or minus beta p by beta n into Vin minus VDD minus VTP whole square. As the slope is going negative, we consider the negative value. Hence we get Vin minus Vtn is equal to square root of beta p by beta n into Vin minus Vdd minus Vtp, and after grouping we get it as Vin into 1 plus square root of beta p by beta n. This is equal to Vtn plus square root of beta p by beta n into Vdd plus Vtp. When beta n is equal to beta p, then Vtn is equal to minus Vtp. So after substituting we get Vn is equal to Vtn plus square root of beta p by beta n, where beta p and beta n it is same, so hence square root of 1, which is 1, into Vdd plus Vtp divided by 1 plus square root of beta p by beta n. So after substituting beta n is equal to beta p and Vtn is equal to minus Vtp, we get Vn is equal to Vdd by 2. This indicates that region C it exists only for one value of Vin, where Vout is greater than Vin minus Vtn and it is lesser than Vin minus Vtp. In region D, both PMOS as well as NMOS, they are in on state. PMOS is in saturation region and NMOS is in linear region. Okay, so in region D, the operation it is similar to region B. The difference is that PMOS and NMOS have changed their roles. PMOS is in saturation region and NMOS is in linear region, whereas in region B, PMOS is in linear region and NMOS is in saturation region. So considering the expression for drain to source current, and after substitution we get Vout is equal to Vin minus Vtn plus square root of Vin minus Vtn whole square minus beta p by beta n into Vin minus Vdd minus Vtp whole square. Let us see how we got this expression. Consider region D operation where NMOS is in linear region and PMOS in saturation region. So write the expression for IDSN, that is drain to source current in case of NMOS and PMOS. So IDSN is equal to beta n into VGSN minus VTN into VDSN minus VDSN square divided by 2, and IDSP is equal to minus beta p by 2 into VGSP minus VTP square. And we know that IDSN plus IDSP is equal to 0. So substitute, we get beta n into VGSN minus VDN into VDSN minus VDSN square divided by 2, which is equal to beta p by 2 into VGSP minus VTP square. Now substitute for VGSN, VGSP and VDSN. VGSN is given by Vin minus Vtn, and VDSN, that is drain to source voltage in case of NMOS, is equal to Vout, and gate to source voltage in case of PMOS is equal to Vin minus Vdd. So by substituting we get beta n into Vin minus Vtn into Vout minus Vout square divided by 2 is equal to beta p by 2 into Vin minus Vdd minus Vdp whole square. Okay, so after simplifying and grouping we get Vout square minus 2 into Vout into Vin minus Vtn, which is equal to minus beta p by beta n into Vin minus Vdd minus Vtp square. Adding and subtracting Vin minus Vtn whole square and further substituting we get Vout is equal to Vin minus Vtn plus square root of Vin minus Vtn square
minus beta P by beta N into V in minus VDD minus VTP whole square. This is the expression for output voltage in region D. Let us see what happens in region E. So in region E, Vin is equal to logic 1. Okay, that is equal to VDD. So here NMOS is in on state and PMOS is in off state. No current flows and good logic 0 or strong logic 0 appears at the output, hence Vout is equal to 0. This is the expression for output voltage in region E. Okay. So in this session we have discussed regarding the output voltage in different regions of operation, that is region A, B, C, D, E. So we have seen what happens in region A. So in each of the derivation we have considered that. See, first we have to see PMOS and NMOS whether it is in cutoff region. If it is in cutoff region means it does not conduct. Then once we get to know that it is not in cutoff region, that is PMOS and NMOS, they are in on state, then further we need to see whether the PMOS and NMOS is working in linear region or saturation region. Then appropriate formulas we have to consider, we have to substitute, and that is how we have got the expressions for output voltage in different regions of operation. Thank you.